In order to receive a quote for auto insurance, people will have to give the insurance agents several pieces of information. Some of that information is listed and explained below. Age. Auto insurance companies base their quotes on how often their clients are expected to have an accident and need to file a claim. If these people are within the 16 to 19-year age group, auto insurance companies quote the highest rates. Similarly, the 85 and above age group also receives high quotes. Those who are around 40 years old will not receive the same treatment, they may be quoted very low rates. Zip code. Some zip codes have an inordinately high number of accidents. People who live and drive within these zip codes will be quoted the highest rates. On the other hand, even though people may live in the same city, if they live and drive within a zip codes that has the fewest numbers of accidents, they will have the pleasure of receiving low quotes. Marital status. Married people are seen by insurance companies as more responsible. They like to know the marital status of people so they can offer their married potential clients lower rates for their auto insurance coverage. The male, under 25 age group even receives a large discount if they can show that they have tied the knot. Make and model of car. Some cars are much more expensive to insure because they cost insurance companies so much more to repair. If they have to replace the vehicle, the market value of it can turn out to be extremely high if it's a vehicle such as a Porsche. Type of coverage. Each state requires that all drivers purchase liability coverage, but this coverage only pays for the other vehicle that the policyholders hit and not their own cars. They have the choice of purchasing optional coverage for their own cars, and their quotes will depend on how much extra coverage they would like. Amount of coverage. Drivers may not set the limits of their liability coverage, but they can set the limits for optional insurance. For example, if they are purchasing collision coverage for their own vehicles, they can tell the insurance agent that they would like to set a limit of $10,000. The higher they ask for this limit to be, the more they will need to pay for the premiums. Amount of deductible. Potential policyholders will be asked how much they would like to be charged for their deductibles. For a lower quote, they can choose the highest deductible, which transfers more of the risk to the policyholder. Policyholders generally have the choice of a deductible between $250 and $1,000. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.